Hi everyone, this is Ben Songrath with the Learning Technology Center of Illinois, and today we are going to walk you through what is up with the Google Classroom Stream. So in the fall of 2018, right before the start of the school year, Google announced a brand new update to Google Classroom, and it was a full redesign of the platform. With that came a new Stream view. So if you used Google Classroom in the past, you understood that you created almost everything from the stream. Now that's not exactly true. Now what you do is you actually create a lot of your content for your students to distribute that out to them in the classwork tab. We're going to get to classwork in a future video. This one's just focused on the stream. So inside of the stream, what you can do now is you can do things where you see the different materials that you have shared with your students from the classwork tab. They all appear on your stream and on your student stream. So that's great. You can see new assignments, new materials, and questions. They all appear here. The only thing you really create from the stream now is announcements. So when I create an announcement from the stream, I actually just click on that where it says share with your students, and then you go ahead and type it in. And then I can do what I can do with any other thing that I'm sharing through Google Classroom, where I can share an attached file, a Google Drive file, a YouTube video, or a link out with this post. So I can go over here, and now you can also see when I go to post this, I have the option to post it, schedule it for a later date, or save it as a draft. The other thing that I might want to do is share this out to more than one class. So I can select new class, and then I can find some of the other classes up here that I want to have. Yours won't say new class. You'll also say the class name. So my class is just named new class. The other thing you can do is differentiate this and send it to specific students if you wanted to. So if I just checked writer and didn't check all students, I only have one student in here, it would only go to that particular student. Okay, so now I'm going to do this. I'm going to go ahead and post. So I've posted it out to my students. My students will all now see this, and then they can also comment on it. So if I've got class commenting turned on as an option, students will be able to respond to this post and create a discussion board. Keep in mind you cannot grade announcements, so that is something that if you wanted to grade an announcement, you would have to do it manually. You can't do it through Google Classroom. Other aspects of the stream that you might want to be aware of, on the left-hand side, you do see an upcoming work tab. What this allows you to do is keep track of work that you've scheduled out to have due dates and that is in the future. So like you can see right now, I have research is due tomorrow. I can view them all if I wanted to. The other thing that you might want to be aware of is up on the right-hand side, you do have three options here to kind of customize your Google Classroom class. So if I click on the About, I'm really only going to find out information about my class, including the name, but then also the class code. And this is where I can click on this little display icon, and my class code gets a little bit bigger. If I want it to be even bigger, I click on this one. Now I go full screen. I could bring that up on a projector. All my students could see it nice and clearly. They could type it in and they could join my class. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and close that out. The other two options you have over here are theme and photo. So if I select a theme, you can see I can actually change this from the basketball player shooting hoops in the background to, say, the soccer net. And when I do that, it's going to update the picture in the background, but you notice all of my color schemes change as well. So it's a little customizable in that way. And you can also upload your own picture here if you wanted to. So you could select your own photo. It could then become the background for your class. So that's about it for the stream aspect of your class. We'll get into some of the other options in here in future videos, but for right now, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, go ahead and follow me on Twitter at Mr_Songrath, or follow the LTC at LTC Illinois on Twitter as well. And be sure to visit our website, ltcillinois.org. Thanks for watching.